Okay, well, if you want to sit on that.
What was it? This water. He must have changed his mind.
Good evening, everyone. I call the meeting to order, 10/1/19, to review the road use agreement and HCA for the Barren Winds project. Roll call.
Councilman Whitman,
Here.
Councilman Kiefer,
Here.
Councilman Phelps,
Here.
Councilman Smith,
Here.
Supervisor Murray.
Here.
Right.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
So at the last meeting, we tabled the ethics decision for Councilman Phelps voting. And we have our attorneys here tonight to discuss that. Councilman Phelps, would you like to read your letter? I haven't had a chance to read it over yet.
I suppose I can read it if you want me to, again. To the Fremont Board of Ethics, I am writing to provide you with my side of the story as a town board member, since the Board of Ethics has not asked my side of the story or provided me with any information about the person that filed their complaint. I did not ask for an advisory opinion because there is no conflict of interest. Since I didn't ask for the advisory opinion, who did? Shouldn't I be able to read the written complaint and provide a response, since the voters in this town elected me and their rights to be a representative they've chosen is being taken from them? I have never been given an opportunity to address the Board of Ethics or provide a written statement. This does not seem to be an appropriate process. The wind company is not seeking any permits or approvals from the town board. Emily, Cindy, and Seth have spent the summer working on a host community agreement and the road use agreement with the wind company. The host community agreement will provide the town with an annual payment, and the road use agreement identifies the standards that the wind company will repair roads to. Both of these agreements provide benefits to the town. Any permits that will be needed for the roads will be issued by Ron. The town board is not issuing an approval for the project that was already done by the state. It is no secret that Carol Burns and I live together. I own the house myself. We do not have insurance together. We do not share expenses. Yes, she and her family are leasing part of their property to the wind company. I would bet there are around 100 other residents in this road use agreement and the host community agreement will have any direct effect on whether the overall project is approved or denied. The Code of Ethics states, no municipal officer or employee may participate in any decision or take any official action with respect to any matter requiring the exercise of discretion, including discussing the matter and voting on it, when he or she knows or has reason to know that the action could confer a direct or indirect financial benefit on a relative. The code also says that an interest does not include any benefits arising from the provisions or receipt of any services generally available to the residents or taxpayers. I do not think that my vote on the two agreements that were negotiated by Emily, Cindy, and Seth violate the town code of ethics. Although Carol and her family may receive a financial benefit from the lease between her and the wind company, my vote on the road use agreement and the host community agreement, both of which are only between the town and the wind company, and will have no effect on whether the overall project is denied or approved. These agreements are a benefit to all town residents, not just landowners with leases. Since the town code states that the definition of interest does not include any benefit arising from the provisions or receipt of any services generally available to the residents or taxpayers, there is no conflict of interest under the code, and I should be allowed to vote on the project along with my colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you, Butch. Seth or David, do you have any?
Yes, and that is a helpful and reasonable response to the ethic board's decision. But I think it also contains within it sort of the seed of the concern of the ethics board. And I, just for full disclosure, I didn't write the ethics law. I was involved in that being passed or place. But it actually defines interest as, like you said, direct or indirect benefit to the individual or to